In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on password autofill on iPhone. So most times when you fill in an iPhone or you need to type your password, you need to manually do this. But with the password autofill turned on your iPhone will automatically turn on the password autofill whenever the need arises. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on password autofill on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on the password. Now once you selected password, unlock with your Face ID or passcode, then on this page you need to click on password options. Now here if you see autofill password and passkey, make sure this is enabled. If it is disabled in your own case, then once that is enabled, you can say use password and passkey from maybe iCloud chain or the saved password that you saved on your Google page. Just go ahead and click on OK. And if you have other information on your Firefox, go ahead and turn this on Chrome, turn that on as well. Now once you turn on iCloud caching, you want to turn on Chrome or Firefox depending on your choice of browser you want to use to enable autofill password on your iPhone. So if you choose Chrome, just toggle on this feature, and if you choose Firefox, just toggle on this feature again and click on turn on autofill. And once that is enabled, autofill will be turned on your iPhone and the browser you use often on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on autofill password on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.